Okay, starting with the humbuckers, they're Seymour Duncan Antiquity Humbuckers. The hardware for the pots, they're Bourne's pots with orange drop capacitors, switchcraft, input jack, and switch. All Tone Pros ABR style bridge, and the aluminum pickguard is custom made. Here, inlaid my logo with abalone. The frets are well dressed, nicely polished. Here's the back. Probably about 20 coats of nitrocellulose clear lacquer on this thing. Wet sanded down, or up to 8,000 grit. I did sand off the finish from the neck though, so it's better to play with. We got some Godo tuners here. So we're gonna start off with clean picking. Overdrive chords. Overdrive picking next.